everyone, my name is Natalie and this is just a little small intro. This is my first YouTube video and I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge. So hope you guys stay and subscribe and like and let me know how you guys like it in the comments below, and let's get started. Bye. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and remove everything that I don't want and put everything that I do want aside. I have a lot of stuff that I just need to declutter and get rid of. It's just a lot. So now I'm just going to use a Lysol Pro antibacterial, say that 3 times fast, spray, and then I'm going to wipe it down with some Clorox wipes, and just keep doing that until everything is pretty much spotless. It looks pretty gross up there, yeah. Not too bad because I actually cleaned out the fridge maybe about 3 months ago, and it was worse before. And usually I take these little containers out and I'll go ahead and like wash them in the sink, but it wasn't too bad, so I just kind of left them and kind of doing more like a wipe down. Let's see if I could just clean it that way. And after I do a Clorox wipe, I'll go ahead and wipe it down with like a napkin. So it's looking pretty good. So now I'm just gonna put everything back. So these little containers I got from the Dollar Tree, and I put all like my sauces and my ketchups and like all the little condiments that I get from like restaurants and all the fast food places, because I don't like to put everything just scattered around. It's a good little organizing tip. So if you have all your little condiments everywhere, I suggest you get like just little plastic containers and keep everything in place. So now I'm just gonna go through my drawers, which I find that I have the most grossest stuff in there, like the old cheeses and the bad fruits and vegetables. So I'm just gonna start organizing in there. Like I found some carrots that I didn't even know I had, so that's a good note. Put that aside. And gross lemon, nope, throw that away. And then I'm gonna go through my other drawer, and I just dropped my avocado. You know that was sad? 2 reasons. Because it was mushy, I had to throw it away, and they're very, very expensive. How much are avocados where you live? So I'm just going to repeat my steps. I'm going to spray, wipe down, and dry off. How often do you guys clean out your fridge? Is it every 2 weeks, every month, every 3 months? Because I don't really have a schedule on when to clean out my fridge. If I see it's started to get cluttered, or if I have a big spill, or if I see it's just getting a little bit too dirty, then I just say, hey, it's time for a clean, and I just clean them. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know what your schedule is in cleaning out your guys' fridge. Real life, guys. Look at this cheese. Moldy. But on a good note, this cheese right here is from a cousin who has her own cheese business, so I always get some fresh cheese. So I have the plug for the cheese, which is awesome because I never run out and everybody loves cheese. So I always have that on handy. And I'm just putting everything back and making sure everything is where it's supposed to be. And now I'm just going to start taking everything off from my shelves. Yep, that milk, I gotta throw that away. This is arroz con leche, brownies and rice from Christmas. And I still have it, so I really gotta throw that away. And now I'm just checking on my kids' snacks and these salads to make sure that they're not expired, which they are, so I gotta throw those away. And now it's time to repeat. Spray, wipe, dry. This is sad right here. Look at all this food just gone to waste. I think that's the most saddest thing because it's like, gosh, I know we all waste so much food and we just got to get better at that. But you guys, I'm finished. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.